Hey, good morning. We're back with my challenges against the state of Ohio. I just want to say that I got notification of my mandamus supplement being entered into the court. That was a positive, as Frashoni would say. Here's the positive. It shows and it proves the fact that I was under APA sanction already through the Summit County courts. Now, I was already punished by the APA administratively through the APA for July 28, 2021 incident. They held me in Hamilton County Jail on July 20th as Floyd Dunlap. They released me as Floyd Dunlap on July 28th, but still held me as Floyd Coe Savage. Then they pushed me to Canton Municipal Courts only for the capias. Sheriff said, I'm doing the judge a favor. What the judge? I have no idea. We'll figure that out later. So I get to Canton. I got OVI refusal for an officer coming to the hospital to tell me the reason why I was driving, et cetera, when I swerved to miss the dog and hit a pole. They're using that case as the linchpin for a judicial process, administrative process that was really illegal. You can't bring a person into custody from another jurisdiction for a U8 waiver or for a U8 form with a capias overriding that U8 and not bring that person in directly to handle that capias matter. That never happened. Never went to court for the capias. I got evidence that shows the ODRC involvement. I got evidence that shows the state Highway Patrol. Well, they're involved too. That's later and before. The deputy sheriffs having direct communications on September the 7th. Where has he been? He was sentenced on that day, but he never came in on the 2nd. So they're giving me this to give to you guys, and we're just gonna send him to prison without no due process at all. None. Zero. Zilch. I basically was fucking kidnapped. In a legal sense, yeah, they held me beyond my will and took me straight to prison after a Canton case that was null and void for real. You should have seen the reactions in that whole situation. But they held me against my will for 31 days to fight a municipal matter and never see the judge on the capias matter at all. And I got witnesses for all that, man. I will subpoena in every deputy sheriff and get everybody's oath and bond and have them come in for my case. So, I got to do a lot of more legal research, but my brief is in. Let's see what the 5th District does on that. Facts.